Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to crop a video in DaVinci Resolve 21. So as you can see, I've already loaded a clip into my timeline right here, and I'm going to be showing you two methods to crop your videos. So the first and most immediate method is by going to the inspector here at the top right hand side of your screen and opening up the cropping menu. As you can see, there are a bunch of sliders here, and if we adjust them, it crops the video according to which slider you've adjusted. So this is usually the first method of cropping that people tend to do because it's what is most easily seen. But I'm going to be showing you a more intuitive method of cropping your video. That's using the transform menu. So you can find the transform menu here at the bottom left-hand side of the playback monitor. Just go ahead and click the small arrow and you're going to see a few options here. So the second option is crop. Go ahead and click that. And then if you drag the edges of the video in the preview, it should crop the way you would expect it to. And as you can see in the inspector, these values are adjusted. So if you need to fine tune them or be more precise, you can always do so right after you crop them by hand. So that's pretty much it. Really quick and really easy. Those are the two most straightforward methods, and I would suggest you get familiar with them. That's pretty much it for this video though. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.